Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to see who doesn't follow you back on Instagram using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, your iOS device or Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, you want to open Instagram and log in your account. So once you've done that, just go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the left side of your screen if you are using desktop, or if you are using mobile device, it's at the lower right corner of your screen. Okay, so now let's just go ahead and click on the following. And now, if you want to check if this user is following you, so just go ahead and go to his or her profile and click on following. And here, as you can see, this user is following me, right? So now you know that this user is following you. So now let's just go ahead and choose any user and let's check if this user is following me on Instagram. So let's just go ahead and click on following. And as you can see, this user is not following me because my username is not on her following list. So that is how you know who doesn't follow you on your Instagram. And if you're using your mobile device, you can also know if the user is not following you by going on their profile and click on message. And when you scroll up on your conversation until the first conversation you have, you can see that you follow each other. Okay? So when you see that on your conversation, it means that this user is following you. But here on my device, on my desktop, it is not available. Okay? So that is how you know when someone is doesn't following you on Instagram. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.